A quick guide to my OBS Studio settings for streaming on Twitch. Under stream, I have ignore streaming service settings recommendations, so I can go above the maximum video bitrate of 6000. This is great for people who, like myself, have a very strong internet connection. I currently have a gigabit, but if you are limited on your upload speed, then no need to have this tick, just stick to the recommended maximum bitrate of 6000. Under output, make sure that your output mode is set to advanced, and under the streaming tab, you can make sure that your video encoder is set to either your graphics card or to your CPU, depending on which one is stronger of the two. In this case, NVENC for NVIDIA graphics cards. And we're using a CBR rate control, an 8000 bit rate because we're going above the 6000. I will recommend 8000 as the maximum though, for those who are at least affiliates. Anything above 8000 does tend to reduce the resolution outputs available to people watching your stream. Keyframe interval is 2 seconds. Preset is set to best quality, but you can adjust that lower if you find that you are struggling with lag. Tuning is set to high quality. Single pass under multipass mode. Profile set to high. Psycho visual tuning is enabled, GPU is 0, max B frames is 2. Under video, I rescale my output here. So I'm rescaling from 1440p to 1080p and maximum quality of 36 samples for downscale filtering. And you can lower these as needed, resolution and the downscale filters if you find that your stream is still struggling a little bit. That's it. Hope that's helped.